Hey everyone, for today's video I'm very excited to get to try out something new, and the thing about it is I've never used a product like this at all before, so I'm very interested to see how it's going to work out. So it's a product from Marc, and this is from the Dream Big Volume collection, and this is a volumizing super powder, and this is supposed to give you instant lift and texture. And the thing about my hair is you might think that I have a lot of volume in my hair, and I would say that I have decent volume. However, my hair does fall flat pretty easily, so even if I were to just push it down just like that, you can see I lost a lot of my volume. So throughout the day I always have to fluff it out just to get it a little bit bigger and to get the shape that I want. So that can be pretty annoying. I'm very interested to see how this is going to work out. The only thing that I'm a little bit scared about is that I did see people using this on social media. I think there was a challenge going on, and basically this is kind of like a dry shampoo, and if you have curly hair and natural hair, you probably don't use a dry shampoo because your hair is more on the drier side. So yeah, with it being white and powdery, I'm not sure how that's going to work out, but if you want to see this process, then just keep on watching. I'm going to start at the bottom, so basically in the areas that'll be a little bit less visible just in case it is really white. So I'm just going to clip up my hair, and I'm just gonna shake it a little bit and spray it in my roots. Oh, I'm not using too much. This smells really good. Yeah, that's a little white, so let's see if we can try to rub that in. Of course it's powdery, but it has like a little bit of a damp texture. It's pretty interesting. I was not expecting it to feel like that, but the whiteness is going away, which is good. I'm just going to continue doing that to the rest of my hair. So with this product, it says take your hair to new heights with this ultra lightweight styling powder with microfiber bonding technology, and this offers instant mega volume and texture, and it's simple to use and brushes out easily, and there's versatile control that releases the perfect amount of product for a precise and clean application. And for the directions, it says to apply to dry hair and spray 2 to 4 inches away and then style as usual. And as a pro tip, it says to reapply to reactivate as needed and blow out the roots for an extra boost of volume. Next, taking my T3 Cura, I use it on a low speed and on the cool setting, and I blow dried my hair focusing on the roots. Afterwards, I took the Bye.Bye Frizz silicone-free humidity shield hairspray, and I did a few sprays all over, but I mostly concentrated at the bottom. How my hair is looking like after using both of the products, and I really like how my hair feels and looks. And the thing about it is, with the volumizer, I thought that my hair may have had a white cast in it, but I was very happy to see that it didn't leave a white cast at all. And when I did spray it in my hair, I noticed that my hair was looking kind of matte, but that all went away as soon as I just like fluffed it out, and it just looks really good, and this smells very nice as well. And with using the Bye.Bye Frizz, and this is silicone free humidity shield hairspray, I really like that with this product it adds some texture to my hair. And the thing about it is, this is a little bit hard to explain, but I'll definitely try my best to, is when my hair is too soft, that is basically when my hair gets very frizzy and it gets very basically just loses all its definition, and it just looks puffy, frizzy, and it doesn't look good at all. So what I like is that since this adds a little bit of texture to my hair, it doesn't make my hair feel hard, but it does make it feel a little bit more firm. So hopefully you can kind of get an idea of what I'm trying to say. So I think with adding that firmness to it, it helps it to retain its shape, and my hair doesn't get as fluffy and frizzy that quickly. So I do like using this hairspray. I find that it also doesn't leave any stickiness, and using a little bit goes a long way. So what I like to do is just flip my hair over as you just seen, and I like to try to focus more towards the bottom. I don't spray the top as much, it's more of the bottom that I spray, and then I just leave it for a little bit, and then after I flip my hair over, and then I'll just fix it, and then I just let it dry, and then I'm pretty much ready to go. So overall, I've been using this hairspray for a few weeks now, and I'm liking how it's been working out for me, but this is my first time using this volumizing super powder. So I would say right off the bat, I do like how my hair looks. So I'm going to just leave my hair like this for a few hours, and I'm going to try not to fluff it out, and I just want to see how fast it loses its volume or how much it keeps its volume. I just want to see what the results are, and then I'll come back and I'll show you. Overall, I'm very impressed with how these products worked out for me, and I definitely recommend checking out both of these collections. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and if you want any more information about any of the products that I mentioned today, then just check the description box below, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!